Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Kamara Reaction. I'm here to do another reaction video to a RBD member, Anahi, and this is Boom Cha features Zuzuka Podorosa. Podorosa. So I'm curious to see what this is going to give me. I think this came out 2015-16 era, so which just shows you even though the group disbanded and separated, went on a long overdue hiatus, they're still doing their own musical act, solo. So I really do like that, and I really do love her songs. I love her stage presence. I love her essence. Love her. I'm not bored when I watch her. She do look good. She's a pretty girl. I'm surprised she didn't cross over into the American market like how J-Lo and Shakira did. Hey, 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 hey.
Yo me dejo llevar como el mar, festejar sin fronteras ni edad. Te quiero ver bailar, I wanna make your body let go. No me hagas esperar, I'll make my body let go. Te quiero ver bailar.
Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. Oh, she looks so good. Boom, cha, boom, cha. Hey, hey. Oh, the upper body strength for that. Come on, girl. Let's go.
Te quiero ver bailar.
Kind of remember Cat DeLuna song. Yes, it kind of reminded me of Cat DeLuna. What's the song? Is that how she shoot it outside and everything? It just reminded me of Cat DeLuna song, music video too. It's so cute. I like it. She is a star. She is a star. She does have that it factor to go solo and be in the group. Anahi, she does. It's a very cute video. Hi Suzuka. It was very good addition to the song as well. Give that little oof that the song needed as well. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to it. I really do appreciate it. Love it. I am becoming really fond of Anaheim. So as always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you be? I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.